TK here, True Blue TV. We're back here at the Smoker House, and it's a beautiful day out. Sunshine, flowers, tulips, we got it all. Guess what? Today was the final inspection, and we passed. We are done. The stagers are finishing up here, staging this beautiful house, and you're not going to believe the results. Come on in. I mean, you come in and this place feels so warm, so homey. I mean, it's beautiful. You can see that the stagers have been here, and it feels like somebody's living here right now. This house will probably hit the market next week, and I'm guessing it's going to be a bit more. Come on into the great room. Remember, we talked about it a lot. We had a wall here and a wall here. We put in a structural beam, had to add another beam, and we put it all together. And you know, I was a little nervous about a beam coming right down into your center island. But I mean, it belongs there. I mean, I just can't believe how good it looks. I'm sure Attica has a lot of pictures for you, but everything came out great. We got rid of some attic hatches. We got rid of, if you remember, there were these old 4-foot, I'm missing the word for them, but lights. A new door here and a storm door. Another new door here and a storm door. We got some more closet space over here, little knee wall, probably be able to put a little bench in here, kick off the shoes. Eventually, the owner will put in some closet racks, that kind of stuff. But there's a little more storage in this upstairs than there used to be. We also kept the closet over here. Again, this would be a nice area for a pantry closet. You can pretty much make it however you want it. A lot more cabinet space, a lot more room. I just can't believe it. This thing is gorgeous. I want to buy it. Another thing I did is the homeowner put in these railing systems right here. So I decided, and I think I talked about this last time, but we painted this railing black, and it really has a nice, you know, pops out at you. Another bathroom. Beautiful, fresh, new. Again, the black accents. Black Schluter, black shower curtain rod, black accessories. It just, white, black, it pops, and it just gives you that nice clean feeling. Turn around and go look in the bedrooms there. I don't know if you're tired, but I am. Oh, I'm not, just kidding. Again, the stagers are in here. They're not finished staging everything, but this is what they do. So the homeowners come, I mean, the new homeowner will come in, take a walk around this house, and you know, you feel like, wow, I know how to put this thing together. Sometimes when you go walk a brand new house and it's empty, it's hard to visualize. This just helps people visualize, so they get what they want. Another bedroom here, so everything, new doors, trim, base, everything's new, and everything's clean, and everything's great. Again, all new hardware, doors, trim, a brand new bathroom. We roughed in a new drain for down over here. Take a little peek in there. It is gorgeous. Over here, again, we had to make closet space. So we came up with a little plan here, little lights. And these closets are all set for a new owner to come in and customize them how he wants it. Again, we had to have a fuse box and add another box, so we came up with a solution of having a little door here, and this has to be accessible. It had to be done by code. So again, we got a little creative, and it worked out all right. New egress window, we talked about that. So it turned out fantastic. Obviously, we don't want to spend a lot of time, but that's the furnace room. We got storage room over here. So they'll have plenty of room to put up racks, shelves, whatever you need to have plenty of storage. This house has turned into just a family dwelling. Big wide open spaces, big wide open spaces. This is going to be a huge family. We could have a pool table, put a bar back in there. It's going to be beautiful. Again, the original egress window. This one we did not put in, but it was already here. And this is a nice, spacious bedroom. I mean, you got tons of closet space. This closet goes from that wall all the way down to that wall. And again, for the homeowner to customize them as they need them. All I can say is I can't wait till my next one, but this is a good day. I'm getting a little emotional because I'm out of here and the owner is happy. Thank you. We'll see you next time.